Hi, my name is Theo, and I've been in the school since PK. When I first joined the school, I didn't know any other language than my family language, Romanian. And it was kind of funny because sometimes I would talk to the teachers in Romanian and they would be like, okay. But now I know 4 languages, including English, French, Spanish, and my own language, Romanian. Since I've been in the school for many years, I would like to tell my experience at the school. The first thing I want to point out is the education. I like the education here because not only do you learn a lot, but sometimes teachers try to make it funner for you and try to engage you in their class. They also do like fun activities that make you learn a lot. The main subjects are English, French, math, and science, but we also have other subjects as computer studies, computer music, art, music, physical education, dance, and many more. In English, you will learn a lot about grammar, speaking, and writing. In French, it's going to be mostly based on verbs because that is what French is mostly based on. In math, you will learn all different types of concepts, but mostly about multiplication and divisions, yeah, basically. The second thing I want to point out is in this school, there won't be many bullies because we are all like a big family and we all love each other. The third thing I want to point out is when you join this school, don't be shy to make friends because when I joined the school first, it was kind of easy for me to make friends, even though I didn't know any like English or French that much. But I just tried my best and I made some friends. The fourth thing and the last thing I want to point out are the field trips. I love the field trips. They're probably my most favorite part of the school year. In a regular school year, you will go on a skiing or skating trip, depends on your grade. You will go to a museum, maybe, and the science center. Yeah. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening.